Hi everyone. I want to talk about my resource I created. It's a Google form designed to help students and teachers in English for specific purposes. This form is a simple but effective tool. It is set up to help learners reflect on their progress, share their experiences, and give feedback about the course. Here's what you will find inside. The personal information and the reflection questions. This help students think about what they have learned, how they've grown, and what challenges they have faced. And also, okay, the first section, it's about need analysis and 3D model. We have three questions about this. The first question asks about the most fundamental factor that should determine the content of any ESP course, and these are the options. The second question is which dimension of the 3D needs model especially focuses on external factors like cost, budget, and technological accessibility. And the last question about need analysis, it's need analysis finds that a doctor needs to practice phrases for turn taking and managing interruptions during a video call, and this finding belongs to which type of need. So I focus my part in the topic that I choose during the develop of the activities that was about the healthcare environment. Okay, the first answer is the specific needs and goals of a student. The second is ethical and contextual filter, and the last is target needs. So let's go to the next section. It's about methodology and ethical solutions. The first question is teaching approach that asks students to simulate an authentic task, like conducting a full video consultation, is primarily known as task-based learning. The second one, what is the ethical solution used to protect patient confidentially while still allowing the use of realistic material of the course? Okay, buying expensive new books and using only basic non-medical English, using simulated but clinically accurate patient cases, or only discussing medical theory. These are simple questions that people that were learning in this course about healthcare would know. I think the right option is C, using simulated but clinically accurate patient cases in order to imitate or learn about all the things that are necessary in the real life and real context. Last question is the process of evaluation about Hutchinson and Weathers is critical because the result feedback into the needs analysis, ensuring the course is always up to date. This concept is called and the continuous cycle of design. This concept emphasizes the importance of evaluation feeding back into needs analysis to keep the course up to date and relevant, aligning with principles of iterative design and improvement in course development. Now let's look at the personal goal and improvement section of the form. This part is designed to help learners reflect on their progress and set clear, achievable goals for their English learning. So, the first question asks about your main strengths in English for specific purposes. This helps you recognize what you're already good at. Okay, the second question focuses on areas for improvement, encouraging learners to identify where they can grow. The third question is about the specific goals for the next month, which helps maintaining motivation and focus. The fourth question asks about plans to achieve these goals, such as practicing more, seeking feedback, or using specific resources. The last question asks if learners would like to receive personalized suggestions or resources to help reach their goals, ensuring they get the support needed. And, and finally, this section is important because it helps learners reflect on their progress and identify areas for improvement. Also encourages setting clear, achievable goals, which keeps motivation high. And this section provides a space for personalized feedback and resources supporting ongoing learning and improvement. In summary, this section helps learners set personal goals, create a plan for improvement, and receive the support they need. And thank you for watching, and I hope you find this resource helpful.